Welcome back, smart shoppers! In today's episode of Buy Smart, we're comparing two heavyweights in the 3D printing world, the Sovol SV06 and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Let's see which one stands out in our head-to-head battle. First up, price. The Sovol SV06 is priced at a budget-friendly $249, making it a great option for those who want to save some money. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus costs $599, so it's a bit of an investment. If cost is your primary concern, Sovol SV06 is the clear winner here. Next, let's talk speed. The Sovol SV06 can reach speeds of up to 150 mm per second, which is quite respectable. However, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus blows it out of the water with a speed of 500 mm per second. If you're in a hurry to get your prints done, ELEGOO is the way to go. When it comes to build volume, the Sovol SV06 offers a 220 * 220 * 250 mm printing area, which is ample for most small to medium projects. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, however, provides a massive 320 * 320 * 385 mm build volume. For larger prints, ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus has the upper hand. Let's move on to the extruder. The Sovol SV06 features a planetary dual-gear direct drive, praised for its precision. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus uses a self-developed dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio, offering even more control and reliability. Both are excellent, but ELEGOO's extruder has a bit more muscle. For high-temperature printing, both printers can reach up to 300 degrees Celsius. The Sovol SV06 makes material switching easy, while the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus comes with a 60W ceramic heating element for smoother operation. If you plan to use exotic filaments, both will serve you well, but ELEGOO adds a touch more flair. In terms of auto-leveling, the Sovol SV06 uses a 25-point auto-leveling system, which is great for ensuring a level print bed. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus goes further with input shaping, pressure advancing, and sensors on the X and Y axes for automatic calibration. Both systems are excellent, but ELEGOO offers a bit more precision. The build plate on the Sovol SV06 is a flexible PEI-coated plate, making it easy to remove prints without tools. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus has powerful cooling fans to prevent warping and enhance print quality. Both are user-friendly, but ELEGOO adds extra cooling capabilities. Finally, connectivity and ease of use. The Sovol SV06 is straightforward and user-friendly. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus offers multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN, plus a one-key file transfer feature. If you want versatility in connectivity, ELEGOO is the clear winner. In summary, both the Sovol SV06 and ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus have received positive reviews from users. The Sovol SV06 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance, although some users noted minor issues with the display and customer service. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is lauded for its speed, large build volume, and excellent print quality, but it does require more setup and maintenance. Overall, users find both printers to be excellent choices depending on their specific needs. So there you have it, folks. The Sovol SV06 and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus both have their strengths and quirks. If you're on a budget and need a reliable workhorse, the Sovol SV06 is your best bet. But if you've got the cash and crave speed, size, and all the bells and whistles, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is calling your name. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another smart buying decision. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay savvy and buy smart.